Hey everybody, so I got another Guess What's in the Box video. It's from Acme Tools. It's kind of small, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Give me 1 second real quick. Sorry about that, I just shut the TV off. Alright, so this is a box from Acme Tools. It's a very, very small box. So this is another Guess What's in the Box video. I'm going to measure it real quick. So it is 8 1/8 of an inch long by 8 1/8 of an inch wide by 6 1/2 inches tall. What do you guys think is in the box? I'll give you a hint. It is another pipeline item. Well, it came out during pipeline. I don't know if it was actually a pipeline item because I never saw it on any of the 4 pipeline episodes. But it is a Milwaukee item. So what do you guys think it is? I'll give you a little hint. It is sharp. Anyways, you know, if you guys get the guess right, I will provide a wrench trench garage sticker as well as an Ulsa Tools sticker to the winner or the person that guesses it correctly. I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me. It's just a quick little video. Appreciate you guys playing along, and I appreciate all the subscribers and all the support. 928 or 29 subscribers at the moment, almost to 1,000. And you know, like always, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. As well as at the top of the description below, I have an Ulsa Tools link. If you click on that link, you guys can get 10% off your order at ulsatools.com, as well as it kicks me back a 10% off of my next order at ulsatools.com. If they have anything you need, go check them out. They got lots of great toolbox organization stuff. I have a lot of their socket rails. They have, you know, nice organization for pliers, screwdrivers, you name it. They got some great hand tools as well. I have one of their torque screwdrivers. I have their beam style torque wrench. I have some of their swivel adapters and some other stuff. Go give them a look. If there's anything they have you like, you know, it saves you some money, use the 10% off. Appreciate you guys' time. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!